गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों।
मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा। Current electricity. In the morning session, we were saying about combination of resistance and the potential across the different elements, है ना? ठीक है, एक
यस
क्वेश्चन
सर।
और in the given figure find out value of resistance R. The circuit which is given to you is this. And suppose here the voltage is 120. You are asked to find out the value of the resistance. In these type of questions, you see, I repeat my statement what I said, that in the given figure, find out the value of the resistance R. हमें इस R का वैल्यू ऑब्टेन करना है. It is given here the voltage is 200. This is a 50 ohm resistance. This is 100 ohms. And the voltage across this 100, it is given 120 ohm. Okay. We are finding the value of the R. Now you see how to simplify this situation. If this is given 120, it means here the voltage is 120. So because this line is in parallel with this, so this is also 120 volt. Got it? It means up to this line here, the potential is 120 up on these two. And how much you applied? 200. So what is the voltage here? 80 volt. Am I clear in my words? Am I clear?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Now you see, if you calculate the current here, I, suppose that this I equal to V upon R, this is 80 upon 50. So this is 8 upon 5 यानी कि 1.6 एम्पियर. कहिए ठीक है? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So 1.6 ampere current is here. This current will be passing in the two parts. If you calculate the current here, this is suppose I1, this is I2. This I2 you can say V over R. So 120 upon 100, it means this is 1.2 ampere. Got it? Got it?
यस सर।
Yes.
And then you see this is 1.2 ampere from the conservation of the charge. If this is 1.6, if this is 1.2, so how much this should be? 0.4 ampere. Am I clear? Am I clear? The voltage here is 120. Here the current is 0.4. So R equal to V over I. The value of the V is 120 and the I is 0.4. This is cancelled. This is 300 ohms. Is this clear to all? Is this clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Listen again. This is a very good question. What is said that in this figure you were given that where the resistance, मैं सारी चीजें इरेज कर देता हूं जो गिवन नहीं है, उसके बाद में हम सॉल्व करेंगे इसे. The conditions which are given to you are these, and you are asked to calculate the value of the R. This is to be calculated. You can see the applied voltage here is 120 between these 2 points. And here you are getting a voltage of the 120 volt. This 100 ohm is having 120 volt because this 100 is in parallel with this unknown resistance. So here the voltage will be 120. It means on this section, here this section is having a potential of the 120 volt. My dear, you applied a voltage of the 200 volt. So here the voltage will be 200 minus 120. This is 80. Got it? Got it? Clear? Then you see here the voltage is 80. Here the resistance is 50. So the current in this wire, suppose that this is I equal to V upon R, so 80 upon 50, this is 1.6. And when this 1.6 passes here, it gets split in the 2 parts. One is the current I2, here the current is I1. You can see this current I2 is here. How much this I2? You can see here the resistance is 100 and the voltage is 120. So I equal to V upon R. Here the current is 120 ampere. If this current is 1.2 ampere. If this current is 1.2 ampere, you can see, आप देख सकते हो here the current कितना था 1.6. 1.6 में से 1.4 इधर चला गया. Then how much is left here? 0.4 ampere. Am I clear in my words? Am I clear? Now you know
Yes,
the
sir.
voltage and you know the current, so you can calculate the resistance of this unknown part. Okay. May I proceed on the second question? Anyone has to write it down? These
Yes, sir.
are Raghav, Sunil, Ananya, Akash, Ariva, Aryan, Harshita, Mansi, Srishti, Soham. Can I go on the another?
Yes, sir.
Now you see, लास्ट टाइम पे वो जो क्वेश्चन था ना उसकी बात करते हैं. इन गिवन फिगर resistance of whole wire is then find equivalent resistance between points A and B. Suppose that this is the whole wire it is having a resistance R. Now this is bent into a form of a circle, and the 2 points on it, A and B, are given somewhere here. This is the point A, this is the point B, and these 2 points are making an angle of alpha. The current here is, suppose from here the current enter, and from here the current will leave. Try to get it. These are the 2 points about which the current equivalent resistance is to be calculated. You can see whole wire resistance is R. How much is this angle? 2 pi minus alpha. Are you people solving it, or should I tell you? Now you must see that the current is entering here, so there the current will be divided in the 2 parts. One part is here, current I1, and another part here is I2. So you can see that this part and this part, इसका नाम रख दीजिए C, इसका नाम रख दीजिए D. तो ACB part and ADB parts of the wire will be connected in parallel. क्यों? Because here the current is divided. अब you see current जो होता है, resistance होता है ना, length के proportion में होता है. If this part is given angle alpha, so definitely this part is 2 pi minus alpha. तो अगर मैं यहाँ की बात करूँ, वर्ड से देखना, full wire is R, resistance of the wire at angle 2 pi. The resistance of wire at angle 2 pi, it is equal to R. 2 pi मतलब A से लौटकर A पर आ जाऊं तो टोटल एंगल 2 pi होगा. तो रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ वायर एट यूनिट एंगल, this is R over 2 pi. Now the resistance of wire for angle 2 pi minus alpha, this is R1, suppose. तो यूनिट एंगल पर this much is the resistance, so R over 2 pi into 2 pi minus alpha. Am I clear? Am I clear? Am I clear? So anyone is having the doubt here? Soni, Harshita, Raghav, resistance of wire for angle
No,
alpha.
sir.
अल्फा के लिए कितना हो जाएगा? यही
No,
से
sir.
R2 equal to R over 2 pi into alpha. Now you can see that these two parts are connected in parallel. So 1 upon RP, since both the parts are connected in parallel, so 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R. The value of the value of the R1 is R, 2 pi minus alpha upon 2 pi plus r alpha upon 2 pi. So this is r alpha upon 2 pi. Do one thing, 2 pi upon r, take as common. Here you take alpha into 2 pi minus alpha is the LCM. So here this will be alpha plus 2 pi minus alpha. Got it? Alpha alpha cancel. So 1 upon rp. So rp equal to r alpha 2 pi minus alpha upon 4 pi square. Is this clear to all? Is this clear to all? Anyone
Yes,
having the
sir.
doubt? Anyone having the doubt? Now the next question which I am giving you, this you will be solving in the complete fashion. यही क्वेश्चन होगा इसी तरह का. एंगल दे देता हूं मैं आपको, आप पूरी तरह से क्वेश्चन कीजिए. ठीक? एनीवन हैज टू राइट इट? प्रज्ञा,
Yes, sir.
सोनी, आकाश, अनन्या, अरीवा,
Yes. Yes.
नोट करेंगे इसे?
Yes, sir.
नोट कर लीजिए. नेक्स्ट पे शो करूं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am writing the question here. Those who have noted down it, they may start solving another question. This is the question. Start solving it. Those who have noted down, they start solving it. Those who are writing, after this, you solve it. इसमें ये मत कीजिएगा कि अल्फा की वैल्यू डायरेक्ट आपने क्या करी 60 डिग्री रख दी या पाई बाई 2 रख दी. सॉल्व द कंप्लीट एंड देन सेंड द सॉल्यूशन टू मी. Done. A wire of the resistance 12 ohms is bent into a form of a circle. Then you are asked to find out the resistance between the 2 points which are at the angle of the 60 degree. After solving it, please send the solution to me.
So 5/3 ohm.
5 by
3.
5 by 3. 5 क्या है बेटा?
5. 5.
अच्छा,
5/3.
5 by 3. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. देखो, full wire resistance is 12 ohms. Resistance of wire at 360 degree is 12 ohm. Resistance of wire at 60 degree. So 12 upon 360 into 60. So this is 2 ohms. अब अगर देखा जाए तो this was the wire. These were the 2 points A and B. Here, this part is making an angle of the 60 degree. Its resistance is 2 ohms. So what will be the resistance of the remaining? 10 ohms. Am I clear? So 1 upon R
Yes.
equal to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 5, 1 upon 10. 10 is taken as LCM. This is 5 plus 1. Got it? So R equal to 10 upon 6. This is 5 upon 3 ohms. Very good, Buddha. Shabash.
Sir, answer 5/3 है.
5 by 3. Very good.
Yes.
Next question. If anyone has to write it. If anyone has to write it. May I give the another question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Yes.
Now the next question is, otherwise I say you another theory. Question or theory? Chalo, question. Theory we discuss tomorrow, na? In the given figure, find out the equivalent resistance. Between A and B. In the given figure, find out the equivalent resistance between A and B. Try to get it. Check it. Are you people solving it? Or should I tell?
Yes, sir.
Solving?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, 3 ohm.
तो 3 है
3 ohms. 3 ohms.
Sir,
Yes,
2
sir.
ohm. Sir, 2.
तो 3 ohms आ रहा है
Sir, 3 ohms.
Okay, okay, wait. You see that these two are in series. And then after this 6. Now wire 3 is in parallel with equivalent R1. So 1 upon R2 मान लिया मैंने इसे, this is 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. It is equal to 2 upon 6, यानी कि R2 equal to 3 ohms. Now you can see that you can replace all these. मैं नया डायग्राम दिखा देता हूँ आपको. इससे जो नया आएगा डायग्राम, this will be having 3. This is 3. This is 6. So this is 3 ohms in place of these 3. This is 3 ohms. This is 3 ohms. 3 ohms. 6 ohm. 6 ohm. 6 ohm. अब जरा गौर से देखिएगा, इन दोनों का इफेक्टिव फिर से 6 हो जाएगा. तो ये ठीक है. ये 6 ओम इस 6 के साथ पैरेलल में लगेगा, तो इसका इफेक्टिव हो जाएगा, इन दोनों का इफेक्टिव फिर से 3 हो जाएगा। तो ये ठीक है। इस पूरे को हटा दीजिए, इस पूरे को हटा देंगे तो इस पूरे के बदले मैंने क्या कर दिया, सब कुछ हटा दिया ये। अब यहाँ पे कितना रह गया, 3 ओम्स रह गया। Now this 3 ohm is in series. This will be again 6 ohm. ये 6 इसके साथ पैरेलल में आ गया, ये कितना हो गया, 3 ohms. Got it? क्यों जी? इसको हटा दो।
Yes, sir.
This is 3 ohms. अब required position तो यही रही. Now these two will be in series. You see. So this will be 3 plus 6 and 6 here. This is in parallel. So its answer will be 2 ohms.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Anyone having the doubt? Anyone having the doubt? Ariba, बात समझ में आई बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having the doubt in this question? Please see. May I proceed? Another question?
Yes.
Yes.
Anyone saying something? Ashita, Mansi, Pragya, Raghav, Srishti, Soni, Akash, Ananya, Ariba, Aryanraj, Ritul. Now you see the another type of the question. In given figure, find out equivalent resistance between A and B. You see, this is an infinite section. This type of the question is given in NCERT also. ये identical sections हैं which are extended to infinity. These are the 2 points B and A, and here this is extended up to the infinity. Suppose all these are of R ohms. R. Suppose all. And this is an identical section. और जरूरी नहीं है R हो, ये इसके अलावा कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन वन पार्ट में जो लगेगा, जो यहां होगा बेटा, the similar will be here, similar will be here, similar will be here. This is an identical section. And you can see that it is extended up to the infinity. So this is because going up to infinity, so increasing one or adding one will not be affecting the whole resistance. Since the given section is infinite long, so removing any one part or adding any one does not change the equivalent resistance. Let equivalent resistance between A and B is R naught, suppose, या R equivalent, कुछ भी मान लीजिए, तो यहां पे रेजिस्टेंस R हो गया। अब अगर मैं यहां पे 2 पॉइंट ले लूं, A डैश B डैश, so equivalent resistance between A dash and B dash will also be R equivalent. Got it? What I said you, इन दोनों के बीच में अगर R है और मैं इस पार्ट को हटा दूं तो इन दोनों के बीच में भी क्या रहेगा बच्चों? रेजिस्टेंस R रहेगा. तो व्हाट विल बी द न्यू डायग्राम? इसको ऐसे ही रहने दीजिए. दिस इज द पॉइंट A, these are the point A and B. और यहां से जो पीछे वाला कंप्लीट सेक्शन था उसका रेजिस्टेंस आ गया यहाँ R इक्विवेलेंट. दिस इज R, दिस इज R, दिस इज R and this is R equivalent. Anyone is having any doubt regarding this? किसी को इतने में कोई डाउट हो तो बताइए. अब now you can see that these two are connected in parallel. So 1 upon R dash मैंने मान लिया R equivalent plus 1 upon R. This is R equivalent into R, so R plus R equivalent. So R dash will be R equivalent into R upon R plus R equivalent. Now this complete is in series with these two and the effective is this. So R equivalent equal to R plus R dash plus R. You can say 2R plus R equivalent R upon R plus R equivalent. Is this clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Here you can take R plus R equivalent as LCM. When you multiply this here, 2R square plus 2R R equivalent plus R equivalent into R equal to R equivalent. Got it? Clear? Multiply कर दीजिए R equivalent into R plus R equivalent square equal to 2R square plus 3R into R equivalent. आपके पास में इक्वेशन आ जाएगी बच्चों R equivalent स्क्वायर, ठीक है, इक्वल टू 2R स्क्वायर प्लस 2R इंटू R इक्विवेलेंट. इसको मैंने क्या करा, R इक्विवेलेंट स्क्वायर माइनस 2R इक्विवेलेंट इंटू R माइनस R स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. चेक करो सही लिखा मैंने, प्लस 2R स्क्वायर, सॉरी चेक करो मैंने सही लिखा. इसे अगर मैं कंपेयर करूं, कंपेयरिंग विद ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c से इक्वल टू 0, इसमें x के रूट होते थे मेरे लाल b प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. यहां पे अगर मैं a को देखूं तो a इक्वल टू 1 है, b इक्वल टू हो गया माइनस का 2r और c की वैल्यू हो गई माइनस 2r स्क्वायर. तो r इक्विवेलेंट क्या होगा बच्चों, माइनस b तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो गया 2r प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट b स्क्वायर यानी कि 4r स्क्वायर माइनस 4, a की वैल्यू 1, c की वैल्यू माइनस 2r